welcome back to my YouTube video, and today we're gonna be playing with some slime, the package one, so it's so jiggly. So let's get started with this video. So yeah, well, I have this slime that was in this little container, and this slime that's a little container. I ordered it, so yeah. I still haven't found where how she sells it. I just sold. I don't know how I even sold it. We're just gonna be playing with this slime, having some fun right here. And I'm just gonna be quiet so you can listen to the pokey thing, so you can listen to pokey sound. I think the person tried to make it jiggly because it is jiggly. So now I'm just folding it like. So I barely came out of school and I decided to do video because I don't have homework. It's Friday. So I'm like, why don't we do a video? Some of my friends have a YouTube video and I'll put it down on the description maybe. So see how stretchy it is. It's jiggly slime, so I don't think it's that stretchy. Yeah, I think that's how far I go. I've been staring at the Edward water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. Every turn I take, every turn. So good. People are like, so anyways, I'm going to put it back in the container. I usually just play with these two. So, yeah. Now it's time to play with this one. She may give it free to you, maybe. So let's see the Poke sound. Just look at there's a bow in there. Oh. This one is way stretchy. So I really like that one. And it's so fun with it. It's so fun playing with slime because I have taken a lot of time playing slime because slime is fun for me. Like, slime is fun for everyone. It doesn't care if you're big, small. You don't know how big I am. You don't know how small I am. You don't know if I exist. Well, I do, but that's fun. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like this video and comment in the button below which one was your favorite. Was it this one or that one? I'm barely starting to do videos like on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But I did one on Thursday yesterday about the slime package. So I was just like, so it's so good. It's jiggly slime. This is jiggly slime, guys. So don't think it's not. Oh, so put it back there. She's gonna bring the one that I don't play with it a lot. Just the one because I have another. Okay, it's in this cute container. And I'm just gonna open it because here's the thing. And it looks like this. Oh guys, look at that. Look at that, man. I just opened it. Like, what is that? Guys, you see? Okay guys, I'm just like, what is in the world is that? Like, that's so cool. Like, I'm like, come on. That's cool. Sorry if I zoomed a lot on it. But look at that, guys. Oh, that was not fun. This is another jiggly slime. I told her the color, so she put what color I wanted it. I don't... And it's like so good. So I don't play with this and that because I just want to play with these two. Because these two are good. So I'm just gonna go put this back. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up, a big family thumbs up. Don't forget to like and comment below which one was your favorite. Was this one your favorite? Or was this one your favorite? Or the other one that had the bubble? Just comment down below. And which color you like most, blue or green? It's green. So yeah, bye!